Welcome to the channel. Leo never loses, or at least I try not to. So today, let's get down to business. The anchor system, that's what I'm working on. We're going to take a look at the anchor system. What I've done, I did some trades. This one used to be 37, this one used to be 36. I got this one brand new. I got rid of a 24 put that I had. So let's take a look at it. So you see how I am doing here. So let's go right here to Misty. I did. And this past month, doing this anchor system, I believe around 1,770. Okay, this is the new strategy I'm implementing here. Let's scroll down right there. Okay, let's take a look at how much I've made since last month. Get the calculator out. Let's open all of them. Okay, and then we'll go back to them. I do a lot of cancels because, you know, I go in and out and in and out. There's another row that I did here. So let's open all of them so you can take a look. Okay, this one too. Come on. So you can take a look how my anchor system is coming along. I think it's coming very good. That's the distribution I got last month, November the 22nd. 667 distribution. Another option. That's another one. Another one here. I paid $5 to close that one. Another one here. And another one there. And that's it. That's it. Okay. Now let's go up here. This one right here. This is a row that I did yesterday, okay? Yesterday I did this. I collected $30 and this originally was 36, so I brought it down to 33. Now my strike price is 33. So I released $300 of collateral and I collected $30, okay? So $30 and I brought it down from 36 to 33. Okay. Next is this one. Okay, this one is $20. I collected $20. And this one was the original one. Remember, I got it at 37. Okay, so then I rolled it down to 34 for next month. And I released another $300 and I collected 20. Okay, and now this one over here, this is the put. I closed this put, $20 to release, $2,400 I wanted to release, right? Now let me see if they stay open. I don't know why they're not staying open. I don't have to, so my calculator won't go away anymore. Okay, those are open, all right. We'll go back here to where we stayed at 24. Okay. So at 24. This I paid $20, so we're going to deduct this later on. I paid $20 to close this put that was going to expire out of the money because this put was 24, but I wanted to release the funds. So I just went ahead and paid the $20. So let's move on. This is a put I got yesterday, I believe, the day before, at 30. Remember, for me, 30, 50 is the middle of the range. So I got this at 30. So I collected another $310. Let's see. That's a distribution right there. 170. That's the original one I collected at 170, and then I paid $20 to close it. So I'm going to put here 150 plus 150. Okay. This is the original one I got at 36. I collected 500. And this is the other one, 37. I collected 550. This one here, I paid $5 to close it. Okay, so we're going to deduct it. $5 to close that, put at 26. So let's go down here. Right there. I collected 100, I paid 5, so we'll add 95. This one is 115. And that's it, we're done. Okay, so I collected in 1 month, $1,770 right there. Okay, in 1 month. Now let's go back here now. This was flying. This was flying this last night. Look at that. It went all the way up to 37,957, almost 38,000. It's taking a breather now. Okay, here we go. Now, that's the new ones that I have, the new anchor that I have in now. I got a $30, I got a 34, and I got a 33. I brought them down and I opened a new one at 30. Now, right now, she's in the top, for me, she's in the top of the range, 37. So you see, let's take a look here. 37, she's in the top of the range. I don't want to get one right there because I don't like to be so much high up there. Okay. If this was in a place that I would go ahead and get this option, this is what I would do. This is how I would be doing it, okay? When it goes down, I'm going to keep doing it like this. But just to show you, I will come here, sell a put for next month. That's too close for next month, January, okay? I will come here. You see, she's at 37. I will get her right in the money, right there. Right in the money, okay? To get as much as possible for her. So she's at 7, from 4 to 7. I will get her there, and this is what I would do. I would come here, okay, continue, then I will change this. I will change this to 600 and let it sit there, okay, 600. So I would change it manually to 600, okay. Even like that, it might be able to fill right there. So I would change it to 600, okay. That's how I would do this. That's how I would do the anchor system, right at the money, okay. So just to get the funds, $600. See, review order. See, you agreed to buy 100 shares of Misty at 37 before January, okay. And if it doesn't get, you'll get the credit. I'll get the credit right now, but that's how I'll do it, right in the money, okay. That's how I'm going to do this anchor system. I'm not going to do it now because she's in the top of the range. I don't want to buy her there. I don't want to open this sell put up there. She's too high for me. Okay, so I don't want to do that. So that's why I'm going to wait. Remember, next week, she's going to pay. So she usually falls on the ex-dividend day, okay? The declaration is on the Wednesday. The ex-dividend day is on the Thursday. There, I might go ahead and open another one for the anchor system, okay? Open another one. So anyways, 1,770 in 30 days. If she falls, I'm going to buy right up front at least 100 more. I need to start building this up. This I'm not going to touch anymore. I'm going to be working on these, okay? And if they ever expire and they're in the money, it's fine because I'll put them over here. That's fine. I don't have no issue with that. So I wanted to get that in to let you know how the anchor system is going. And I'm going to keep building more over here, okay? More. But I'm going to wait till she gets a breather. I don't want to be way up there. Remember, I used to be at over here. This one used to be at 37. This one used to be at 36. So I brought them down. I brought them to 34 and 33, and I collected bringing them down as well. Okay, very important. So anyway, tell me what you think of this anchor system. These, I'm not going to close them. Everything is profit. If not, I'll just keep rolling them and keep rolling them and keep collecting, and then here keep collecting the monthly distribution. Today, Connie paid today $1.33, so I'm going to get like $600 and some dollars. And over here, Alti pay as well, 70 cents. I'm going to get around $400 or $500 there. Connie, I'm going to wait for her to drop because I'm going to be buying her if she drops. She's too expensive now. If she drops, remember, I look at the chart very simple, okay? So if she drops, that's not my average, but, well, you know that already. But let me show you something here really quick, okay? Go to it right there, okay? She's here, right here. $15. Support, remember, up here, resistance, support. I keep it simple, okay? If she falls around there, I buy. Look, right there. 1507, right there. 1501, okay? If she falls around there, I buy. I'm going to buy 100 of them. But I'm going to wait till she falls. She's too high. That's the first support. So anyways, I wanted to get that in. I wanted to let you know how my anchor system is doing. I think it's doing great. $1,770 in 30 days. I think it's doing really good. So yeah. And remember, like I always say, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is what I'm doing, okay, to get to that $1 million in 24 months. And as you could see, my account is growing. I started around 20,000, and look, last night it went almost up to 38, okay? It continues to grow. So if you want to know how I'm going to get to that $1 million in 24 months, subscribe to the channel, and you will see how I make that $1 million in 24 months. Make no mistake about that. I know what I'm doing. Even though they say they're dangerous, I know exactly what I'm doing, okay? And you see, since I started doing this in September, this only goes higher and higher and higher, okay? 3 months. Let's see here. Right there, okay? Up, 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 and away we go. Look at that. It went up to almost 38. Next month, it's going to surpass all that. I want to be more than 40. I still got the whole month to go. So anyways, let me get a drink of my coffee. Ooh, so good. So good. So anyways, that's what I wanted to get in, the anchor system. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think, how it's coming along. $1,700 in 1 month, plus my regular distribution. This is the other income I'm preparing. It's going to get bigger now. I'm thinking next month we should double this. At least 3,000 in options, okay? So tell me what you think. So anyways, I think I'm done here. So, like I always say, may the winners be on our side. And I'll see you soon.